So hello and welcome students. From this video we are going to start the arithmetic of the octal number system. In the last 4 videos we have been doing the arithmetic operations of the binary number system. We have done binary additions, we have done binary subtractions. Now we are moving into the octal number system, and in this video we are going to discuss the addition of the octal number system. And as you all know that this is the series that we are covering, that is digital electronics. We are going to cover each and every topic in detail with full of the knowledge, so that if you are preparing for any kind of exams, whether it is your university exam or GATE level exam, this kind of videos will help you in cracking such exams, and that is our motive. And yes, another important information that I want to give you, that if you are following this playlist, digital electronics videos are now coming on every Monday as well as every Saturday at 6 p.m. So if you are following this series, don't miss out any new video of the digital electronics. So now let's start the video. First of all, we need to understand the octal addition. See, it is very easy. Octal addition is very similar to the decimal addition. Okay, octal addition is very similar to the decimal addition. I hope you have been doing decimal addition since the childhood, but here there is a small difference that you need to take care of. Let's say if you are adding any two numbers, a plus b, okay, the addition will be as the decimal addition only. But if your result is, let's say, less than 8, okay, if the result is less than 8, if you are doing a plus b, if the result is less than 8, then it will be as per our decimal addition. Okay, so here you don't have to make any kind of change, the result will be as it is. But let's say the result is greater than 8. Okay, if the result is greater than 8, then what you need to do, then from the result, okay, from the result you need to deduct 8, okay, and that will be your final result. And here also you need to consider that there will be one carry. Okay, there will be one carry. So that is the thing that you need to take care of. If your answer is less than 8, then there is no change that you need to make. But if your answer is greater than 8 or 8, okay, greater than 8 or equal to 8, then this kind of things you need to make. Now these are the theoretical aspects. What we want to focus on is the examples, because in these videos we are taking more examples. We are taking at least 3 or 4 examples, so that you can understand totally about how to do the octal addition. So first example that we are taking is, we are having two octal number. One is 167 and second is 325. So what you can do is, first of all, write down the number. I'm going to write down the number 167. With that you need to add 325. Okay, with that you need to add 325. So again here if you check out, the first column that we are having is 7 plus 5. So 7 plus 5 will be 12 according to the decimal number system. Okay, 7 plus 5 will be 12 according to the decimal number system. And again 12 is greater than 8. So as the 12 is greater than 8, we will subtract what? 8 from the 12. If you subtract, then your answer will be what? 4. Okay, here your answer will be 4, and there will be one carry. So carry will be added, that you need to understand here. Now here if you check out the second column, here what you have, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay, so here you have 9, that is again greater than 8. So here also you will subtract 8. So your answer will be 1. So again here your answer is 1, and there will be one carry. Okay, now here we have 3 plus 1 plus 1, that is 5. Now if you check out, this 5 is less than 8. So here we will not make any kind of changes, and this is your answer of 167 plus 325. I hope with these examples now the concept that I have explained you is clear. Still we will take another example. Here we are going to take 4 numbers. Okay, so first of all what you need to do, you write down all the number. The first number is 341, second number is 125, third number is 472, and third number is 577. And you need to add all these 4 number, and we will start with the last column. So here if you check out, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 7 is what? 15. 15 is greater than 8, so we will subtract 8 from the 15. So answer will be 7. Here your answer will be 7, and 1 will be carry. So here you check out in the second column, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 7 is 14, and 14 plus 7 is 21. So here you get 21. So from the 21 you need to subtract 8. So from the 21, if you are subtracting 8, the answer that you will get is 13. The answer that you will get is 13. But now here also, if you check, this 13 is again greater than 8. So from the 13 also we need to subtract 8. So from the 13, if we subtract 8, the answer that we will get is 5. Now this 5 is less than 8, so that we can accept. So here we will get 5, and as we have subtracted twice 8 from the number, our carry will be 2 over here. Okay, not 1. The carry will be what? 2, right? Now here we have 3 plus 2, that is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. And 10 plus 5 is 15. Okay, so 15 is greater than 8. If we subtract 8 from the 15, the answer will be 7. And there will be one carry that we will write over here. And this will be your answer of the addition of these 4 numbers. I hope here you are clear that if your number is greater than 16, okay, here if you check out, we were having 21. So 21 is greater than 16. So rather than subtracting 8 twice, you can directly subtract from the 16, and whatever the number you are getting, okay, 16 minus 21, the answer will be 5. So here you can use 5 and you can have 2 as a carry. Okay, so that thing you can directly implement here. To explain you step by step, I have done it twice. Now moving on to the example number 3. Here we are taking rational numbers. 3 rational numbers we have. The first number that we are having is 123.412. With that we are adding the second number 517.426, and with that we are adding the next number, that is 156.2. So we can write down 00 over there. So from the last column we will start. 6 plus 2 is 8. Okay, so we need to subtract 8 from that. Answer will be 0 and 1 will be carry. Okay, 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. Okay, 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. Here we have 4 plus 4 plus 2, that is 8 plus 2, that is 10. Okay, so 10 minus 8 you do, your answer will be 2. And there will be one carry. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 7 is 11, and 11 plus 6 is 17. Okay, now 17 is greater than 16. So we will directly subtract from the 16. Here your answer will be 1. And now here we will consider 2 as our carry. Now here we have 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, and 5 plus 5, that is 10. So from 10 if we subtract 8, our answer will be 2 and 1 will be carry. 1 plus 1, that is 2, 2 plus 5, that is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8, and 8 is directly we can say 10, because here we have done that. So here our answer will be 1021.24. Okay, so this is how you need to perform the octal addition. I hope students, with these 3 examples you are very clear about the octal addition. In the next video we are going to tackle octal subtraction. And in that also we will take many examples so that you get full coverage of all the range of the examples that can be asked in your examination. And with that, I want to request you to subscribe this channel, because your subscriptions and your viewership is definitely helping me and motivating me a lot in bringing this kind of content regularly on this channel. You can also watch more such kind of video and explore the playlist. At the same time, you can follow me on the social media handles. Here also I am putting interesting content about the engineering. So with that, let's end this video. I am going to meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.